fast with me.
Oh my God, it hurts! Stop pulling too hard!
Hurry, hurry!
Oh, too fast! You're going too fast!
What do you mean too fast? I thought you liked going fast.
Not with you! You pull us too hard!
Oh, whatever. I'm already late. You better get used to it because I'm not slowing down anytime soon.
No, now hold on. You heard him, boys. He wants to go fast. Let's let him.
There we go. Now that's better. Thomas! Thomas! Oh dear. He's already left.
Right then. We'll just have to stop him then. You stay here, Edward. We're going to have a talk when I get back. With Thomas.
Yes, sir. All right now. Up we go.
Hold back! Hold back! Hold back!
Oh! Oh, what the hell? Come on! God! Why?
Go faster, Thomas! Yeah, go faster, Thomas! As fast as you can!
I'll go faster, all right.
Come faster than that!
In your faces! Your plan failed! I've reached the top!
Push him now!
Oh! Hey! Whoa! Hey, what was going on?
You wanted to go fast! Your wish is granted!
No! Go back to holding back!
No, take that!
Oh my God! Stop pushing! Oh!